I tried a car nano coating agent on this hood to see if it actually makes sense to apply it on your car to achieve better water resistance as well as resistance against corrosion, salt, etc. First of all, take a look at the hood before I applied the coating spray. It already has some scratches. Also, it's important that you see what happens when I pour water over the hood. It generally flows down off the hood, but it does so slowly, as you can see. What will happen if I apply the coating agent on the surface? I gotta admit that I'm not doing it professionally and thoroughly, just because I don't care about this hood since I've gotten it from a scrapyard just for the sake of this experiment. The main goal is not to see how good it looks afterward, but to see if it's actually capable of protecting the surface from scratches, water, etc. Okay, so I spread the coating over the hood. I did so poorly, that's why you can tell the surface now looks kind of dirty, but again, I'm not doing it for the looks. Also, after the coating agent dried out, you can tell where I applied it on the surface compared to the part that I haven't touched. So it's definitely there. Let's see now what will happen if I pour water onto the hood. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I definitely noticed a big difference here. Water flows down much faster than it did before I applied the coating agent. It doesn't stay in one place and quickly leaves the surface of the coated hood. This is definitely a good sign. It means the spray actually makes your car more water resistant, so there will be less corrosion. But what about its effectiveness against scratches? This is a genuine review, so I'm gonna actually try to scratch the hood in the places where I applied the coating agent and where I didn't. And right away, I can tell there is a difference. It's a bit harder to scratch the coated part of the hood with a nail, but even if there are no deep scratches left, there are visible marks there. I wouldn't say that now it's impossible to leave a scratch on the hood. It's still quite easy, but a bit harder than it was before. So I'm gonna say it's kind of worth it, but only if you apply the coating spray properly to not make your car look dirty. And don't expect miracles to happen. Your car still might get scratched with keys if someone decided to do so deliberately. By the way, in the next video, I'm gonna try to remove these scratches using the Rayon wax. So don't miss that upload to see the results. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this information was useful and take care.